To show you how to make this delicious, refreshing eggnog ice cream. Our first step for making our eggnog ice cream is to go over the ingredients that you'll be needing. First, you will of course need some sugar. And next, you'll need 7 egg yolks. You'll also need vanilla, nutmeg, whole milk. You want to make sure that you get whole milk, not 1%, not 2%, not skim milk, because you will need the fat in whole milk for the ice cream. Next, you'll need heavy whipping cream. Heavy cream, whipping cream, they're both the same. This happens to say both heavy and whipping cream on it. Don't get light cream or half and half. You need the fat that's in the heavy cream. You'll need a touch of salt. And then last but not least, if you want to, this is totally optional, you can add some rum. If you don't want to be adding the rum, the liquor, you can also use artificial rum flavoring. So if you don't want the alcohol, or it'll be mainly children eating this ice cream, you can use rum flavoring instead, or you can leave out the rum entirely.